Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you all the stuff that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. So I love this Sephora VIB sale. I always wait to buy stuff from Sephora till the sale happens because they don't really have coupons like they do at Ulta, where every so often they have the 20% off coupon. Sephora does their sale about twice a year, so it ranges. If you are just an insider, you get 10% off. A VIB, you get 15% off, and a Rouge member, you get 20% off. So I am a VIB member, so I got 15% off. So I got some of the products that I wanted to get and I've been waiting to get. So yeah, we're gonna jump right in. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click the bell right down below so you can be notified all my future uploads. So let's jump right in. And a lot of stuff I got is more higher end that I've wanted and I just haven't got it. I put it in like my favorites on Sephora just so I have it saved as a reminder. So it's not in the cart, but so that I can get the higher end stuff at a discount. So the first item I got is the Tatcha Silk, or the liquid silk canvas. So this is like the balm one, but liquid, which I think will be better for my drier skin. So that's what I'm hoping for. And I've heard really good things about this. So I have wanted to try this primer out. So that's the first item. Next up, these two go together. This is the Tarte Sea Breezy Cream Contour, and I got the shade Seychelles, and then the brush that you have to buy them separate, but they go together and work hand in hand. So this is what the cream contour looks like. So it's very pretty. This is the lightest shade they have. So definitely probably wouldn't work for much lighter than me, maybe a little bit lighter. So I don't know if they're going to come out with even lighter shades, but this is a good cream contour shade. And then you can just put the brush right in like so. Just go right along and it like fits perfectly right into right there. Next item I got is, this is probably the most bougie item I got, is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, like so, and I got the shade 5. So you can definitely tell just on the packaging, it's way more bougie, like way heavier. So I like this, and it's a 1 ounce bottle, so it's same as any other liquid foundation. Is most of them are about 1 ounce. So the next item is another foundation that I've wanted to try. It is the Hourglass Seamless Vanish Liquid Foundation, and I have this in the stick formula and I really like it. It's just sometimes it's a little too drying on me. So, and it's like a shade too dark for me, so I got the lighter shade, and this is Ivory. But I really am liking Hourglass products, especially the Vanish foundation. The concealer is like, I use it every day. So I got a different shade in the concealer because I have it on right now. And you can see it's not very brightening under the eyes. It gets a little bit, but not enough. So I got, I think, 2 shades lighter. So this is the shade Cotton. Almost had it upside down. So I really, really, really like this concealer. I was about to say foundation, but concealer, because this is the only product that I got that I've tried, but I highly recommend this concealer. It's amazing. And now another Hourglass product. I know I've been on an Hourglass kick lately. They're such pretty finishes to the skin. So I got the Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and this looks so pretty. Open it up. Even this part where you pull it off and it's got the H, like you can see where the little holes are going to be, but definitely one that I'm excited to try. And you can see the cap, it kind of like domes a little bit, so it fits perfectly into this dome shape, which I think this dome shape is going to be really nice to get powder, because when you have ones where you're like you put it into the cap and you're like trying to push it, but I think this will be really nice. So I'm excited to try this. I've heard good things about this powder too, so we'll see. And then the last product that I got from the sale is the Jouer Blush Duo. So this is the, so they're called blush bouquets, and this is the rose gold one. Like the packaging is really, like this is the outer and this is the unit carton and this is the actual product. So it's a little bigger, so just be warned of that if you get it. The package is actually bigger. But this is the rose gold one. And oh my God, those are such pretty. Like this one is way more shimmery. You can see it has more shimmer to it. But it is just so buttery. Like look at that. That is so, oh Lord, the little packaging fell out. Like that is such a pretty blush. They had multiple different shades in this. These are such creamy blushes. That is the other one, so pretty. These two, like this one, the rose gold, really stood out to me. So there's marigold and rose petal are the two different shades, but they are beautiful. So that is the last of the products I got from the Sephora VIB sale. So if you want to see me try out any of these products, let me know down in the comments. I'm sure there'll be future videos coming up where I'm going to be using these products a bunch just because they're new and exciting and they're bougier products. Like I said, I always wait and get those like higher end bougie products until the sale. I will link all of these products down below so you can check them out from Sephora. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.